So this is Baba and Prancy. So we are doing a tag team for hair because I need to be in the venue already. And they work super, super quick. So they're actually from Puerto Princesa. So if you guys need like a hairstyling team, makeup and hairstyling team, at least meron na akong contact dito.
Talk to the driver first.
My plan today is I have one gown by Jerry Fernandez, but I had requested him to make it like something sustainable where in one outfit I can wear it in different ways. So the only way I'm gonna get to change it is I'll remove something or add something or change my lippy or my blush, so less hassle but still with the same impact. I love this. Hi, Luis Espiritu. Only one of the top stylists in the country. They brought all of us to Palawan because we are the best. Yeah, speaking of best, look at this. He's so kind. He is actually the official designer of the whole competition. So he's making like certain outfits for our contestants. So do we all know the name of the dad of Superman? What is it again?
Jor-El.
Jor-El. I didn't know that. Jor-El Espina. So he actually has an atelier in Manila and in Iloilo.
And Greenbelt 5.
And Greenbelt 5. And he is so kind that he's just doing like a little fixer-upper on my gown. And me, the Ultra Girl Scout, I have a sewing kit. I have everything. And everything's like displayed here on the table for my next changes, like my next lipstick change, everything. So I'm like super prepared. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I love it. And take note, I only met him today.
Okay, eto na. Eto na. Oh my God, I'm so excited for you. I'm sure you'll all do well. And as they say, the best will win. But it does not say that you're all not the best because you are. So I
Good luck, girls. They are stunning, truly a reflection of sheer perfection. Let's give our candidates another round of applause, everyone. Now, for those of you who've just arrived at the venue, good evening to all of you. And to those of you who are tuning in from home, this is the coronation night of the 2024 Mutya ng Palawan. It is time to get to our Q&A. So here are the rules. I'm going to ask each candidate a question that will be selected from this bowl right here beside me. Now, I'm going to read that question to them, and they have 30 seconds to answer the question. And once they hear this sound, huli na. But they got to round up their answer. All right. Here we go. So our questions will be in English and also translated to Tagalog. The question is, in your opinion, what is more important, beauty or brains, and why? So sa inyong opinion, ano ang mas mahalaga? Ganda or talino? At bakit? Up next, Nada. Your question is, how do you respond to critics who argue that beauty pageants degrade women? And how do you ensure that those pageants promote a more empowering representation of women? Paano mo sasagutin ang mga kritiko na nagsasabing ang mga beauty pageants daw ay nagpapababa sa pagkatao ng mga kababaihan? At paano mo matitiyak na ang mga beauty pageants ay magsusulong at magpapataas ng pagkatao ng mga kababaihan? And now let's call on Aborlan. In your opinion, what tourist attraction in Palawan should a tourist visit first and why? Sa iyong palagay, anong magandang tanawin sa Palawan ang dapat unang puntahan ng isang turista at bakit? Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to that part of the evening where we find out who will be crowned Mutya ng Palawan 2024. And now we are down to 2. So now we have our 2 finalists to come to the center. And the next name I will be announcing is this year's Mutya ng Palawan. So that means the other finalist will be Mutya ng Palawan North. Who is it going to be? Is it Quezon? Or Bataraza? My dear Palaweños, this year's 2024 Mutya ng Palawan is none other than Quezon! That means Bataraza is our Mutya ng Palawan North. Congratulations to Mutya ng Palawan 2024, Jerilyn A. Gregas. Hi, darling. How are you?
I'm feeling nervous, but I'm happy to be here.
Good answer. Ay, oo nga pala, ang kapal. Ako talaga nag-pick. Ganon.